Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Tips 24/7. You know the last video I made on a website where you can go and develop all kinds of mobile app and also convert your website, your WordPress website or any kind of website to mobile app and submit it on Google Play Store or iOS Store or any app store you can think of that is in the market. Are you getting me? So today I'll be revealing another one, which is Appilix. The other one I made a video. I'll be leaving the link on the description of this video where you can go and watch the video and explore the site and know what I said about the website. So based on this particular video, this Appilix will allow you to convert your website to a mobile app without any coding. So this website will make an app for you. The app will be able to submit on iOS Store or Play Store. So it is very easier to do. All you need to do is put your website address here and click on convert. Once you click on convert, you'll be able to convert your website to app. So the step one is enter website URL. Just enter your website address, give a name of your app and convert your website to app for Android or iOS platform. You will then customize the app. You will personalize your app with custom logos, stunning splash screens, and advanced features, easy and hassle-free. The last one is build and download. Appilix fast conversion process builds your Android or iOS app quickly in less than 10 minutes. So in less than 10 minutes, you'll be able to convert any kind of website to mobile app. Let me show you the features of the app you are going to develop using this website called Appilix. Features that make Appilix the most powerful and easy to use web to mobile app converter. So it is not the end, more are being developed. So you will have a licensed content synchronization that keep your app content in synchronization with your website in real time with Appilix automatic live content synchronization feature. So this one, you also have a customizable splash screen. You'll be able to create a striking first impression by easily customizing your app's splash screen with personalized background, images and logos. So you're able to choose images and logo to customize your app to look differently, to look very enticing. So you also have a push notifications feature on your app where you engage and inform your app users with push notifications sent from Appilix control panel integrated with Firebase for seamless delivery. You also have resource caching. You will optimize user experience with lightning fast app exploration through Appilix resource caching functionality for quick and efficient content access. Another one is your app we have a revenue generation where you can generate revenue from your app by seamlessly connecting ad mode and displaying ads to maximize monetization opportunities. It also have upload and downloads. Enable native file upload and download functionality in your app, allowing users to manage files with Appilix built-in file manager permission. It's also camera, microphone, and location. It is fast and lightweight. It's not the app you are going to build with this drag and drop feature is just like building a part that is the megabyte will be small, that person will be able to download it easily using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So you can go and explore this website. The link of the website will be on the description of this video. Then let me show you the pricing of this website. So this is the pricing, simple and flexible pricing. So they have the free version. The free version, what are you going to get once you convert your website to mobile app under the free version? For Androids, you will be able to create one app, unlimited views, unlimited active users. You will not get a Play Store releasable package. You will not get no Appilix logo. No ad mod. Push notification will not be there. All integration will not be there for free version. Then if you need this one, you can opt in for $39. Bill at $69 per year, but they are doing discounts. You can see the Black Friday sales. Are you getting me? End 27 days. They are doing Black Friday sales. So if you opt in for this now, you are going to get a discount of this. You know, it was $69 before, then they have reduced it to $39 because of the Black Friday sale. So if you register now, you are going to get the benefit from this. So Android application, unlimited views, unlimited active users, Play Store release. You'll be able to release your app on Play Store. Also, no Appilix logo. There will be no Appilix logo on your app. The logo you put will be your logo of your app. Are you getting me? It will be the logo of your app. So add more ads. You're going to add more ads, push notifications, all integration modules. So if you need another one, this lifetime. This lifetime is once you pay it, you're not paying it again. So once you pay, but I will advise you to choose the lifetime one. So the lifetime one, the normal price is $89. So they are doing discount. So because of the Black Friday sale, as at the time of making this video and it will end on 27 days. So remember, as at the time of making this video, so it could be when you watch this video, the Black Friday has ended. So make sure you act quickly before the Black Friday end. So you're going to get one Android application, unlimited views, unlimited. You're going to customize your app unlimitedly. You're going to have unlimited active users. Even if you have 1 million users, it will carry it. You're going to release your app on Play Store. No Appilix logo. You will put your own logo. You'll be able to monetize your app. You'll be able to put push notifications, put all integration there. So if you want to start, once you get registered, well, like I said earlier, I'm going to leave a link on the description of this video. You can go and register on this website, then convert your website, any kind of website you have. If it is WordPress website or website you created from the scratch, you'll be able to convert it to mobile app. So once you convert it, you opt in for a plan you need, if it is Android or iOS. But I advise you can choose for the lifetime. So paying the $49, you know that you have paid it at once. You are not going to be paying anything like paying for $39 again after a year. So let's go to the iOS plan. Let's see how it goes. For the iOS plan, for the free version for testing expires in 30 days. So you'll be able to create one iOS application, unlimited views, unlimited active users. You will not be able to submit it on Play Store. For the free version, you will not be able to. Let's check this. This is the one we are talking about now. This is the one we are talking about, the free version. So add more will not be there. Push notifications will not be there. All integration modules will not be there. So if you want to choose the plan, this premium plan now for a year, if you pay for $49, bill as $79 per year. So but they are doing Black Friday, you can pay $49 as at the time of making this video, counting down to this 7 days. So you'll be able to build one iOS application, unlimited views, unlimited active users. You'll be able to submit your app on Apple Store. There'll be no Appilix logo. You'll be able to monetize your app. You make money from your app. So if you want to choose a lifetime, the normal price is $139, but due to the Black Friday, they have a discount which is now $69. So no recurring payment. So once you pay this $69 for a lifetime, you are not going to pay anyone for that of your app you have just created. So you are going to get one iOS application developed by you, unlimited views. You are going to customize it unlimitedly. You're going to have unlimited active users. You'll be able to submit the app on App Store. You'll be able to add your own logo, monetize your app, put your own push notifications, other integration available on this plan. So if you want to explore this website, just check on the description of this video and go and sign up. Once you sign up, you put your website URL, then convert your website to mobile app, then you go and customize your app, customize it to your taste. You see how it goes. So I will advise you to register now. Now they are having the Black Friday. So, and the Black Friday will end in 27 days at the time of making this video. So once you register, you enjoy the benefits of the discount they are offering for now for their users. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video on this channel, Tech Tips 24/7. Make sure you click on the subscription icon to get more updates, and also the bell icon too, that anytime such video is dropped, you'll be able to get the notice. Thank you.